What happens if you make a mistake when you've written a check to an agent? Now you can go here to Manage Checks. At the top, you can filter by showing all of your agents or just filter by a particular agent. Today we're going to look at Darth Vader's checks. Hit Get Results. So this particular check right here, I need to make a change on it. I put the wrong check number on. So I'm going to click on it. I can change the check number right here. Just don't forget to hit save. You can also change the date that you wrote the check. Maybe that needs to be adjusted. Hit save. The only thing you cannot do is change the check amount. If that amount needs to change, then you need to delete this check. After you delete the check, don't forget that you'll need to write a new check. Once you delete this check, it's going to ask again, are you sure? Yes. So now it has disappeared from here. But remember, you can always change the check number or the check date. You just cannot change that amount of the check unless you delete it and then write a new one.